Okay, so today we'll discuss about K-map problem. So as I seen in the test, many students were unable to solve this K-map problem. So I decided to make a video on it. Okay, so yesterday I have sent some of the rules to be followed to solve K-map problem. Okay, so there are some rules that you have to follow to solve K-map problem. Okay, even though if you have not understood that, with the help of this video, you can easily understand how to solve the given any K-map, any kind of K-map problem. Okay, so let's start. So the question given is, given the Boolean function f of a comma b comma c comma d equals summation 0 4 8 9 10 11 12 13 15, reduce it by using K-map. So whenever the question is given, okay, on the K-map, first you have to draw this K-map. Okay, so the map you have to draw first. I will show you by zooming. Okay, you can see that. So this is what you have to draw. So this is a bar, b bar, nothing but these are nothing but values. Okay, when we take it in Boolean, any variable is there that is equal to 1. If a is there, then its value is 1. If a bar means it is 0. Similarly, b bar means 0. A bar b bar means 0 0. A bar b means 0 1. A b means 1 1. A b bar means 1 0. Okay, so similarly on x-axis, so this is y-axis, this is x-axis. Here also you have to take c bar d bar, nothing but 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0. Okay, so which value is 0 0 is nothing but 0, 0 1 is nothing but 1, 1 1 is nothing but 3, 1 0 is nothing but 2. So you can see that this is 0 0 0 0. Okay, nothing but 0, 0 0 0 1 is nothing but 1, 0 0 1 1 is nothing but 3, 0 0 1 0 is nothing but 2. Okay, so if you convert this to Boolean, so you'll get these values. Okay, so this is first thing you have to keep in mind to draw the K-map. Okay, so next one is, now the number has to be plotted. Okay, so you see this in the question, the numbers are given. Okay, 0 4 8 9. Okay, so if it is a 4 variable K-map, then you will get the numbers from 0 to 15. Okay, from 0 the maximum number is 15. Okay, so in the question also, the numbers maximum varies from 0 to 15. Okay, not any number above than 15 if it is a 4 variable K-map. How to know whether it's a 3 variable or 4 variable K-map? In the function it is given. Okay, f of a comma b comma c comma d. So there are 4 variables, so it is a 4 variable K-map. Okay, now this question is very important for examination point of view, because this question usually asks for 5 marks in the examination. Okay, so in annual examination question paper, question number 27, part D, first question will be the K-map related problem. Okay, so uh, it's very simple, hardly it takes 2 to 3 minutes to solve K-map problem. And you can say that this question is like 100% every year they ask this question. Okay, you can refer previous question paper, you can find 27th question number will be on K-map, and this is for 5 marks fix. Okay, in Boolean algebra we have total 9 marks, 2 question 2 marks, that means there are 2 marks 2 questions are there, and 1 mark 5 question is there. Okay, so because of that this question is very important. Okay, now let's solve this. Okay, so before solving, so what you have to do is, first you have to plot these numbers. Okay, so here 0 4 8 9 10 11 12 13 15 are there. Okay, so the total 5 marks will be divided step by step. Okay, like if you have drawn this much, you will get easily 1 mark. Okay, now next for plotting, that means you have to mark these number if it is SOP problem. Okay, so again one more question is, there are two types in K-map. One is SOP and POS. SOP means sum of product, POS means product of sum. So how to know whether the question is on SOP or POS? Okay, so this is how you can uh, recognize whether the question is SOP or POS. If it is sigma, then it is SOP. Okay, if it is pi instead of sigma, if pi is given, then it is POS. Okay, so this is how you have to categorize the question. Okay, so if it is POS, then you have to plot 1 in the boxes where whatever the numbers are given, in those places you have to put 1. If it is POS, then you have to plot 0. That is the difference. Okay, again this will change. Okay, instead of, we have to make it, we have to apply the De Morgan's theorem for this. Okay, it will become a plus b, a plus b bar, a bar plus b bar, a bar plus b. Likewise this also changes. Okay, here you can see the relation between this is product, a bar into b bar, so product is there. Okay, so that is what product, sum of product. In the final step we will add those, okay, terms that will make a sum of product. Okay, let's plot the given numbers. Okay, so first 0. Okay, wherever 0 is there, just plot 1. Okay, next 4, then 8, then 9, 10, 11, 12. So this is 12. Okay, then 13, then 15. Okay, that's it. If you do this math, then you will get 2 marks. Okay, one for plotting the K-map, then next one is plotting the numbers. Okay, so prepare the K-map, 1 marks, plotting the numbers, 1 mark. Okay, so 2 marks are there. Okay, the next thing is you have to group them. Okay, so for grouping, first you have to find for octet. Okay, first you have to find for octet. Okay, nothing but 8. If there are continuous numbers are there, like 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, so then you can make them a octet like this. Okay, or if you have numbers like this, okay, then you can make, okay, this is nothing but map rolling. Okay, if you fold this paper like this, okay, these numbers will be, okay, make a group. Okay, so this is like a this is the formation of octet. Okay, next if numbers are there, okay, 1 1 1. Okay, then here also you can make group. Okay, this is also, if you fold the paper like this, okay, so these number will be side by side, so this is also make a group. Okay, so uh, map rolling. Okay, so this method is nothing but map rolling. Okay, if you roll this map, then these 4 numbers will be make a single group. Okay, likewise. Okay, so here numbers are there. Okay, if you fold this, okay, roll this, okay, the numbers will be in one group, they will form a one group. So this is how you can make a group. Okay, so these are the different methods of making group. In the textbook in detail they have given how to make groups and all. Okay, so for first you have to find for octet in the map. So if it is possible, then do not forget to make a group. Okay, first you have to find the octet. So let's see, is there any octet in the given K-map? Okay, so we can see that 1 2 3 4, and here there are no numbers. Okay, so if there were 2 numbers here, then we could have make one octet, but this is not possible here. Okay, again here 1 2 3 4 1 2 3. Again if 1 is here, then we could have make a octet here, but 1 is not there, so it is not possible in this case. So there is no octet possible in this case. Okay, so what the next thing to do? If octet is not possible, then we have to go for quad. Okay. Quad is nothing but 4. So any four numbers like 1, 2, 3, 4, if these numbers are there, then you can make a quad. Okay, or 1, 2, 3, 4, then we can make a quad. Okay, if 1, 2, 3, 4, okay, we can make quad like this also. Okay, so this is how we can make quad. Okay, this is one quad, or if this is the case, okay, then we can make quad like this also. Okay, so this is how we have to find any phone number. Again here, this is nothing but again map rolling, okay, method. Okay, this is also if map rolling method. Okay, understand? So if we fold the corner, okay, like vertically and horizontally, then these four corners will join at one point. There we can find the group. So this is also possible. You know, linear, okay, linear is there, then also we can make a quad, if in a square manner, okay, like in a box. This is also possible. Corners, okay, map rolling process. By all these process, okay, the quad, making of quad or a group of quad is possible. Okay, so let's see, is there any possibilities, huh? So 1, 2, 3, 4, so there's consecutive continuously numbers are there, so we can form a quad here. So one quad is there. Finally, one more thing, if even quad is not possible, then what we have to do? Then we have to make a pair. Pair is nothing but any two numbers side by side, okay, makes a pair like this. Okay, if numbers like this, we can easily make a pair. Okay, so finally, if quad is not possible, octet is not possible, then pair is the final solution. Okay, but try to find the octet first, then quad, then go to pair. Okay, so because the problem is reducing, okay, reducing. So how we can reduce is, octet will reduce the uh, given term to a single term. Quad will give the two terms. Pair will give the three terms. Okay, so we have to reduce as much as possible. Okay, so in the problem we can find one quad. Again here also one quad. Okay, now these two are left. So most of you can say that, now shall we make a pair? No, don't go for pair. It is possible you to make a quad here. Go with the quad. So totally there are 1, 2 and 3 quads are there. Okay, now mention this quad 1, quad 2 like this. Quad 1, next quad 2, next this third one. Okay, so this is quad 3. Understand? Okay, so that means if you group this and make a, whether it's a quad or octet or pair, if you do this much, you will easily get 1 mark. So that is totally 3 marks. Now next 2 marks is given for resolving this quad. Okay, so how to do that, let's see. So write down the function. Okay, f of a comma b comma c comma d, okay, equal to, now write quad 1 plus y plus, it is sum of product. The question is sigma, nothing but sum of products. Okay, that's why we have to put plus here. Okay, quad 1 plus quad 2 plus quad 3. Okay, next, so quadrant, how to solve this quadrant? So here you can see that first quad. Okay, so the quad 1, so first we have to solve this quad. How to solve this? Okay, so if you see the terms that are related to quad 1 is a b bar, a b, a bar b, a bar b bar, and c bar d bar. So you can see that A and A bar get cancelled, B bar B get cancelled, A bar get cancelled, B bar get cancelled. So only remains is C bar D bar. So the solution for the quad 1 is C bar D bar. Okay, plus as it is. Now quad 2. So quad 2 is this one. Okay, so the terms related to quad 2 is A B bar, then C bar D bar, C bar D, CD and CD bar. Okay, and these all four terms get cancelled each other, like C bar C, D bar D, C bar C, D, D bar. Okay, so all those get cancelled, only remains is A B bar. So quad 2 result is A B bar. Okay, plus next quad 3. So the terms related to quad 3 is AB bar, then C bar D, CD. So here A remains as it is. Okay, B bar get cancelled. So here the common term is A. Now in the column C bar D, CD is there. C bar C get cancelled, D remains. Okay, so likewise. Okay, here C bar C get cancelled, D remains as it is. Okay, understand? So D remains, so D. Okay, so that's it. So this is the solution for the given KMAP. So that's it. So for this portion you will get 2 marks. So finally 5 marks question. So in the final examination, do not skip this question. Okay, so even though after this video class, even if you have any doubts regarding KMAP, you can ask me. Okay, so hope you understand the problem. Thank you.